I be that woman when not they like to the enter kitchen on New Year Day. I don't know other people they like me, because me personally to enter kitchen on New Year Day, the thing they do me one kind for body. I know they too they like her. So what thing they always they do be say on New Year Eve like this, I go just enter kitchen, prepare everything when I know, say me and my family we need for the next day. I go prepare and that. Then when day break, now just for me to get up from my bed, freshen up, eat and relax. If I get anywhere when I dey go, then I go just carry my children, carry my bag, we go they go. Hello, good everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see, we are making delicious, original, yummy Nigeria party stew. I beg my people, the name is too long. Oh yeah, now may we walk up the go. So my people, I already put my pot for fire. This one are the stew when I make for on New Year Eve. My people, if I turn and say now 1 year, now I make this stew, una not go believe me. Stew when I make for a whole year. Imagine. I go work that day, so as I come back, I know say if they break on the first, I know they like to the enter kitchen. Now enter kitchen that on New Year Eve. My people, 12 o'clock, my pot of stew see day fire. You can imagine. Stew when I make for complete 1 good year. Come on, I beg, give me my flour. Now me cook pass. I don't fit tell you the other day say the best award of cooking this year suppose Mona give am to me, because it's not easy. How can a woman make 1 pot of stew for a whole year? John, I make una help una sister. You understand? Beg, give me my flowers, my people. So guys, as you all can see, now the stew now be this one. We already pour our tomatoes, everything as you all can see on the video. So guys, this one are the stock of the meat. That be this one. So when I just put for inside my pot of stew, you can imagine, you can see the stew already. The stew never done, but I know they see that aroma, see the color, the thing is coloring. Look at all the mede what we get for inside the stew. This stew it carry. This stew na promo. So this one are the turkey when I get, and my fried meat. No, I'm not frying. I use my hair fryer and all of the joints are fry hair fryer, all of the joint. So I don't pour her inside now. Look at this stew. Now this stew never done. Just the look, just the way. So I can't test her. This stew was not salty the way I want it. So I have to add another extra salt. Jonah, now the way to now see for the if you know say don't watch this video reach it means say you the enjoyer, but you don't want follow, you don't want like, you don't want share. Ejo kilo de now what is going on? Oh yeah, now help a sister, help a mother. See do, may God highly bless you. And so my returning followers, my amazing people, my correct people, I say may God bless you all as soon as they support una get. Look at it now. Our pot of stew is almost ready-able. Then we go come top and with egg. Are you going to be giving this a try? Just look at the way I make it step by step. If you make your stew like this, your oga no add money, join your money. You go know say that oga na stingy man, na aka going. If you make this correct stew for your oga, believe me, you see that your guy, that purse, that wallet, he go open and go dash you money. He go give you extra, because this stew, now 1 in 10. What do you guys think? Our stew is ready-able. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now.